Hello, I'm getting Nelly Tumble Dryer. Okay, Nelly, showing you for a bit. That's Nelly.
Yes, that's Nelly.
Okay, let's have a go off first.
Take a second, guys.
It's off. Now,
Let's see. This is what the tumble dryer looks like. It's that small.
I'm attempting to get in it.
Can't you do it? Let's find out after the second.
You know what? I'm gonna go in back. What is it? The bomb.
No one likes the boom.
The thing is, with tumble dryers, they just spin. This is me, a Nelly tumble dryer.
Spin it. No, don't spin it. No. Nelly, film me. I'm sorry.
What do you know?
Stuck in there.
I'm going up. Come on, Lily. Push it. Push it.
Okay, I'm kind of stuck. No, stop.
Now I'm going to attempt to get back out. I think I'm stuck.
Are you happy with the
Nelly,
basket?
move. Nelly, stand up. Oh God, I was going to pop.
No one likes it.
Stop it!
Bum.
Oh, Nelly.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Ta-da!